Hi guys, Hare Krishna. So today we will see on ways to make compost. So this is my compost bin, which is basically a hard plastic. So don't choose a very soft, you must choose a very durable plastic for this. Make sure it's large enough and can last for a few weeks. Here goes the organic matters that we need. So these are the remainders from the kitchen that we cut. So this is from the neighbor's house as well. These are the vegetables from my house. Yeah. This is the waste from the previous day. So for today, I'll be adding it to the compost. So you can add every day or gather it first for 2 days or 3 days and then put it in this bin. And then we add sand. It's very important to add this sand so it can decompose properly. Just 3 to 4 handful of sand or soil, especially garden soil. And then we need to add a few cups of water so that this thing can be damp enough for decomposition to occur, and also you can add worms so they can become a very good compost, and also can be called as vermicompost because of the earthworms will decompose it even better, and also it is by using their feces as well. It's a good organic nutrient in the soil. And then after watering, okay, before that I water it first. Make it as wet as possible, because naturally this compost produces a lot of heat due to decomposition from the insect, tiny insect, worms, and also bacteria, fungus. So you need the right amount of water. Also once a while you can dip stick inside to check whether the content is warm, is wet enough or not. So if it's not wet enough, it's dry, then you need to add some water to this compost. Okay, then you can put this this compost bin in a very shady place, or if it's directly under the sun, you can close it so that no rainwater can enter, and also no direct sunlight. So that's all. Hare Krishna.